Imagine waking up tomorrow and confidently speaking English without fear, feeling proud every time you say a sentence. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Today, we start a slow, simple and practical daily English routine that will transform your fluency step by step. Sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, and take a deep breath. Your journey to confident English begins right now, and it starts with small, easy sentences you can use immediately. Don't worry about speed, don't worry about mistakes. This is your safe space to practice, repeat, and improve naturally. Learning English fluency can feel impossible at first, especially for beginners who are just starting with daily speaking. But fluency does not come from memorizing long rules or complicated grammar. It comes from practicing simple sentences every day, slowly and confidently. Today, we will explore daily English you can use at home, outside, or at work, so you gradually build your confidence naturally. Begin your day with calm sentences. I wake up slowly and take a deep breath. I feel ready for the day. I stretch my arms gently and smile. I sit up, feel the sunlight and tell myself that today will be productive. I walk to the bathroom, brush my teeth carefully and wash my face to feel refreshed. I choose my clothes calmly and get dressed without rushing. Every small action is an opportunity to practice English in your mind. I name the colours of my clothes, I describe what I am doing in simple words, and I think about small sentences I can use to communicate today. These morning routines may seem ordinary, but they help your brain prepare to think in English naturally, which is the foundation of fluency. Once you step outside, real-life English practice begins. Every interaction is a chance to speak and listen confidently. I walk slowly and notice my surroundings. I greet my neighbours politely. I listen to people talking around me without panic. I step onto the bus and say hello to the driver softly. I find a seat and quietly notice the environment. English is everywhere, but you don't need to reply quickly. Focus on understanding and responding clearly. I imagine simple sentences before speaking like, "Thank you," "Could you help me?" or "Excuse me, please." Step by step, you train your mind to process English calmly, even when others speak fast. This is the essence of fluency, not speed, but clarity and confidence. At work or study, beginners often feel nervous because English seems overwhelming. But simple daily sentences are enough to communicate naturally. I greet colleagues or classmates politely. I sit at my desk and organize my materials. I ask questions clearly and slowly when I need help. I explain small ideas without fear. I take short breaks and drink water to refresh my mind. I complete tasks step by step, repeating simple sentences in my head when necessary. Gradually, your mind becomes familiar with English patterns and you speak without anxiety. Remember, mistakes are normal. Fluency grows when you practice calmly every day, not when you force perfection. Evening conversations provide another perfect opportunity for English fluency. I walk home slowly and notice people, cars and sounds around me. I greet friends or neighbours with simple sentences. I describe my day aloud quietly in my mind or to a friend. I walked to the store. I bought food. I enjoyed my coffee. Speaking daily about ordinary things trains your brain to think in English automatically. At home, I prepare dinner slowly and describe my actions, like I cut vegetables, I boil water, or I set the table. I talk to family or friends with simple sentences, smile and enjoy conversations calmly. These repetitions may seem small, but They are powerful building blocks for fluency. Daily speaking is not about long sentences or perfect grammar. It is about comfort, clarity, and confidence. Nighttime reflection is also important. I clean my space, set things for tomorrow, and mentally review what I practiced. I repeat simple sentences I learned during the day. I breathe deeply, relax, and imagine myself speaking confidently tomorrow. Fluency grows quietly, step by step, like water shaping stones. Consistency is more important than speed. Each time you listen, repeat, and speak, your brain stores patterns and you feel more comfortable using English in real situations. Remember, feeling nervous is normal, forgetting words is normal, and speaking slowly is natural. What matters is persistence and practice every day. Through daily repetition, your confidence builds naturally. Small sentences used in morning routines, work, public places, and home conversations combine to create real-life fluency. Over time, your mind no longer panics when English is spoken quickly. You start to understand enough to respond calmly. You realize that English is not a test. It is a tool, a natural part of life. You feel proud with every conversation, even if short. You notice yourself thinking in English, using simple words and staying relaxed in interactions. The more consistent your practice, the more your fluency becomes effortless. English stops feeling foreign. It starts feeling familiar. Your confidence grows, fear diminishes, and every small step matters. Fluency is not about impressing anyone. It is about understanding and being understood. Each day, practice slow conversations aloud. Imagine situations and describe them in English. Step outside and talk to strangers using polite sentences. Ask questions, thank people, and respond with calm clarity. At work or school, share small ideas slowly and confidently. At home, narrate simple actions and daily routines in English. Over time, you notice that your mind reacts faster, your words flow smoother, and you feel calmer. Even when someone speaks quickly, your brain picks up the main ideas without stress. Fluency comes from these daily, consistent repetitions. Remember, small, practical steps every day are better than long, stressful sessions. Focus on easy sentences, repetition, and calm confidence. Celebrate small victories. Every simple interaction is progress. English becomes natural, not because the words change, but because your mind changes. With consistent practice, you slowly become a confident speaker, able to use English in daily life without fear. This is the power of slow, daily speaking practice. By the end of this journey, you will realize fluency is not a destination. It is the process of consistent, mindful, and confident practice. Now, imagine the afternoon at work or school. You might feel tired and conversations can feel fast. Instead of panicking, slow down. Think to yourself, I can take my time. I will speak clearly. I notice my colleagues talking quickly. I listen for keywords and meaning, not every word. I respond slowly, yes, I can do that, or I will complete it step by step. Each time I do this, my mind adapts to real English speed. Slowly I understand more. I don't need to speak perfectly. I just need to be present. During lunch or coffee breaks, I practice simple conversations. How was your morning? Did you enjoy your coffee? What are you planning this afternoon? I listen carefully and respond with short, polite sentences. Even small interactions matter. Each small exchange strengthens my fluency. I imagine repeating these sentences at home and before bed. Repetition in calm moments teaches the brain faster than forced memorization. Evening comes and I start reflecting. I walk home, noticing the sounds of the street, people talking, buses moving. I repeat softly in my mind. I hear English around me. I understand slowly. I respond clearly. At home, I narrate simple routines. I am cooking dinner. I am chopping vegetables. I am boiling water. I speak quietly to myself in English, repeating phrases and sentences. This builds subconscious fluency. My mind is learning while I feel calm. Now, let's add real-life dialogues for practice. Imagine a shop interaction. Cashier: Hello, how are you today? You: I am fine, thank you. How are you? Cashier: I am good. Do you need any help? You: Yes, please, I want to buy some milk and bread. Even if the cashier speaks faster than your brain can process, don't panic. Smile, listen for keywords, and respond slowly. These repeated small dialogues make English automatic in your mind. Over time, your brain adapts to listening, understanding, and replying naturally. At night, before sleep, I review the day. I think, today I spoke calmly. I understood simple English. I responded clearly. I practiced daily sentences. I repeat phrases. I am improving. I can speak slowly and confidently. English is part of my life. My brain absorbs these sentences while I relax. This is slow, mindful learning. Consistency is key. Fluency grows quietly, step by step. Next day, I wake up and notice something new. The fear I felt before is smaller. I understand phrases faster. I can respond in short sentences without hesitation. Even when people speak quickly outside, my mind focuses on main words, meanings, and tone. I repeat. I listen calmly. I respond clearly. I am improving every day. Each repetition strengthens confidence. Small successes accumulate and fluency is built naturally. Imagine conversations with friends at home. Friend: How was your day? You: It was good. I practiced English at work and outside. Friend: Really, that's great. You: Yes, I feel more confident now. Even short conversations like this train the brain to think in English, speak without fear, and stay calm. Real-life fluency is not about perfect grammar or long sentences. It's about clear, simple communication. Let's add some inner dialogue practice. When someone asks a question quickly, repeat silently first. They said, Do you want tea or coffee? Think calmly. I want tea, please. Speak softly. Tea, please. Thank you. Over time, this repetition becomes automatic. Your mind no longer freezes. You start responding naturally. Finally, let's reflect on the long-term journey. Fluency is a marathon, not a sprint. Daily small sentences, repeated calmly, create a foundation for confident English. Mistakes are normal. Silence is normal. Feeling slow is normal. Every calm, repeated sentence strengthens your fluency. Over weeks, months, your brain adapts. Words flow easier. Sentences come naturally. Conversations feel normal. Confidence grows quietly without stress or fear. By the end of this extended practice, you realize English is not a test. It is a tool, a way to communicate, a natural part of life. Daily simple practice transforms fear into confidence, hesitation into clarity, and short sentences into fluent conversations. Keep listening, repeating, and practicing. Small steps every day create big results. You are not just learning English. You are learning to think, respond, and live confidently in English.